Exceptional. Complete sa lahat ng game at saka malapit sa mismo sa mga tourist spot mga 10 minutes lang biyahe kung may dala kayo sasakyan o kay po to Zakamora na din condominium. Exceptional sulit mora na completo pa sa game at maganda ang tulugan, heart suit emoji, book na kayo very nice kay Denice, growing heart emoji. Highly recommended. Thank you Sir Denice for the affordable price, smiley face emoji. We enjoyed our stay in Baguio for 2 nights and probably will be visiting the place again next year and we will contact you again soon for us to book an appointment. Highly recommended Denice transient and you can book for affordable price. Excellent stay. Great location, friendly staff and amazing facilities. The room was spotless and well equipped. We had a wonderful time and would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a comfortable stay at a reasonable price. Exceptional. The unit is a complete package. The ambience is good. The only problem is that there is no allotted parking space inside the gate. You'll have to park somewhere on the road outside the condo's perimeter. Exceptional. Super malinis young place at tahimik, napakasarap matulog dito sa totolang. Di na kami nakagala ang boyfriend ko ang gabi dahil napasarap tulog namin. Hindi din saya kalayuan sa city, 5 to 10 minutes ang layo. May taxi naman so all goods lang din. Ang fare will cost you around 115 to 130 pesos. Exceptional. Super malinis young place at tahimik, napakasarap matulog dito sa totolang. Di na kami nakagala ang boyfriend ko ang gabi dahil napasarap tulog namin. Hindi din saya kalayuan sa city, 5 to 10 minutes ang layo. May taxi naman so all goods lang din. Ang fare will cost you around 115 to 130 pesos. Exceptional. I really recommend this place to all who will visit Baguio. Fully furnished condo and very high-tech. Not that crowded. One ride away from the heart of Baguio City, very accessible. May malapit din na kainan as in you will just take a very short walk from the condo. A convenience store na may napakabait na owner. And also, young mga staff, I mean young owner mismo, they are very accommodating. Commendable din young mga guards. All in all, perfect talaga ang naging stay namin sa City of Pines. I would love to pay another visit here. Very relaxing. The place was really nice. The staff is very accommodating. We'll definitely book again. Smiley face emoji.